In this video I'm going to go over the proper method of using a Natural Chemistry PHOSfree to lower down the phosphate level in your pool. And phosphates are becoming a bigger problem in the pool industry. A lot of reasons are that there's a lot more phosphates being introduced into the pool water, so you may have a high phosphate level. One way to tell is that the water quality is suffering. You may have algae in the pool. That's a good indicator that you have phosphates in the water. The first step is to clean or backwash your filter, depending on what type of filter you have. If you have a cartridge filter, you want to take it apart and clean it. If you have a D filter or sand filter, you may just want to backwash that filter. Or if it's been a while since you cleaned it, go ahead and take it apart and clean off the filter grids. So if you suspect high phosphate levels in your pool, you want to get your water tested to see what the phosphate level is at. It's important to know what the phosphate level is to add the right amount of the PHOSfree to your pool to treat the phosphate problem. So after running the test here at this pool, the phosphate level is at 300 parts per billion. You want to refer to the back of the bottle for the dosage. This is based on 10,000 gallons of water. So at 300 parts per billion, you would add 16 ounces. This pool is about 14,000 gallons, so I'm going to go ahead and add more of the product. If you have a smaller pool, you would add less of the product. So I'm going to go ahead and add about 20 ounces here to lower the phosphate level from 300 parts per billion down to 0. And the first thing you want to do is shake up the bottle to stir everything up. And the PHOSfree is very easy to measure. Each cap is 4 ounces, so you would just multiply the amount of caps you're adding to the pool to get the amount of ounces. So I'm going to add about 20 ounces here. I'm going to go ahead and add 5 capfuls of the PHOSfree. So go ahead and turn on your pool and add the PHOSfree directly to the skimmer. So after adding the PHOSfree to your pool, you want to run your pool as long as possible. So running your pool 24 hours or 48 hours is optimal. And it's perfectly normal for your pool water to be a little cloudy while using the PHOSfree to treat the phosphates in your pool. So I'm back here after 3 days. Let me go ahead and test the water and see what the phosphate level is at. You can see after the treatment here in this pool that the phosphate level is at 0. And after 48 hours, you want to go ahead and clean your filter or backwash your filter again. That's a look at using the Natural Chemistry PHOSfree to lower down the phosphate level in your pool. You can see that the PHOSfree is highly effective. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.